Hi. With the introduction of GST, Indian businesses are starting a new journey. Filing GSTR-1 returns is the first big milestone in this journey. Online filing and invoice matching mechanisms require suppliers and customers to record and maintain complete details for every transaction. In this video, we will see how Tally.ERP 9 will ensure completeness and accuracy of your GSTR-1 returns. GSTR-1 report in Tally.ERP 9 is designed to give you a multi-dimensional view of your data and also provide you with complete control over the information included in your GSTR-1 returns. The report allows you to verify the vouchers included in the returns, make corrections, and export the details for filing. You will instantly know the number of transactions recorded in a period and the vouchers included in the return. In the included list, if there are transactions that you are not sure about, such as two vouchers with exactly the same details, you can put one of them on hold by excluding it from the list. Later, after getting clarity, you can easily include the voucher again by going to the excluded by user list. Vouchers with incomplete or mismatch in information will create errors in your returns. In the GSTR-1 report, you can make the required corrections. Vouchers with similar errors are grouped together to allow quick corrections. The corrected vouchers will move to the included in returns list. If a party's GSTN is invalid, you can view the contact details while resolving the exceptions and instantly get in touch with the party. You will find the tax details below the return summary. Here you can see the taxable value and tax amount from the transactions included in the returns. The values are displayed under different table heads similar to the tables on the portal. You can drill down from a table to view the voucher level information. You can also view these tax details in a summarized format by clicking the View Summary button. In this format, the taxable value and tax amount are displayed for local and interstate supplies. In the detailed view, you can see the tax rate-wise breakup of all outward supplies. In Release 6.1.1, the tax liability for advanced receipts is not considered in GSTR-1 by default. If you want to report them in GSTR-1, enable the option Enable Tax Liability on Advanced Receipts under F11 Statutory and Taxation. After enabling, you can mark a receipt from the customer as advance receipt for supply. Further, the GSTR-1 report helps to keep track of all advance receipts and allows you to create tax liability for advances against which supply is not recorded in the same period. You can view the liability already created for advance received by clicking a button. After checking the vouchers, clearing all exceptions, and verifying the tax amount, you can export the return details. Tally.ERP 9 supports export to both MS Excel and CSV formats. The returns are exported in the format prescribed by the department, and you do not have to worry about copying the templates. In case you export the returns more than once in a reporting period, you can choose to export either all the vouchers or only the new vouchers. To prepare for filing returns, ensure that the GST offline tool is downloaded and installed on your computer. Start the offline tool. Click New under Upload New Invoice Other Data for Return. Select GSTR-1 and the tax period and enter your GSTIN. Click Proceed. Click Import Files and select Import Excel. Browse and select the Excel file that was exported from Tally.ERP 9. View the summary of tax details imported and click Generate File to create the JSON file. Once the JSON file is created, log in to the GST portal. Go to Services and click Returns. Select the return filing period and click Search. Click Prepare Offline under GSTR-1. Select the JSON file created by the offline tool, submit the return and e-sign. The GSTR-1 report in Tally.ERP 9 helps you to quickly finalize your business data for filing returns. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.